Hi guys, it's Nadine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a recipe for quick and easy scones. If you like this kind of videos, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius and prepare a baking tray. You will need the following: 65 milliliters of milk, 15 milliliters of baking powder, 3 milliliters salt, 60 milliliters of fresh cream, 1 large egg, 2 cups of cake wheat flour and 60 milliliters of oil. Mix together the dry ingredients and make sure there is no lumps. Mix the rest of the ingredients together. Mix it all together. If you don't see flour anymore, it's ready. Remember, don't overmix. Flatten the dough with your hands until it's about 2.5 centimeters thick. Take a glass and press out the scones. Wash the scones with milk or egg. Bake for 12 minutes. Thanks for watching today's video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.